Additive.
Daddy.
Shapura.
Sharp.
Yeah. Welcome to our Sphere podcast. Yes, sir. Thank you for showing up. And basically, I just want to first start with the ice breaking. So let's do this. Ozwakai.
Hamantilatilane.
Wajang.
Bohobe.
Wafutsela ka.
Ka metsi a pula.
Tella he.
Ke theleleng ke le mo kubung wa kgametlwana mo apara kubu mo apara telangwana. Kubu ntsha maota re bole. Tlhatla ditlhagile re tla tshela ka moka. Yeah, ke sela mono.
For sure. If lani for the most part, kina no for the most part, it's like more. It's a paragraph and then going forward, it's lani seems to be a struggle.
I feel like for some totems and clans, karana, the more banally popular singer, like they are now and hansi ke hola with reading the book as so of manare hona le dibuka tse ngotseng seboko sa ba kwena ba mokotodi but nna ke mokubung wa ene ke sure ka la kopa motho a tlhaoli ntle le bo batho ba ntse bang ko ba mana le nna directly and how so like lineage yaka it traces way back to bo kurumana it's just like sonzo elela towards Botswana so it's hard to find to like the actual praise poem mona how it's a research then you just like meeting people one northwest and whatever
and for sure Lena basically I tried searching for mine because Lena fell on that first paragraph and I remember I think it was 2020 or 2019 I tried searching on Facebook basically on a lady Facebook group so I tried inboxing them individually. I'm like so I talked to them and asking them and le bona there ibile ona le mong elong re username ya haine le mofokeng wa mogadi wa motlalana so I figured like that long thing only to find that no ke tsebela hakana fela I'm like and funny thing gore le batho ba baholo I think they I don't know if I would say Barnabas is intentional that much about teaching the young people to pass it on.
I feel like again the hopolena ya rona ke 200 years not like batho ba rona ba existile only 200 years ago they've been there but in terms of trying to urbanize trying to not just be victims the present they had to adapt and adjust to now getting into Christianity ba kena sonal commerce ho sona le tsela ye ntšha ya ho define ona o le motho as in like hore o motho a prominent setjhabeng o so le associated lo over more towards the colonial mindset bohua kapa gona o tla threne re na le protectorate but I'm just saying that tsela e leng bohua e ba yona e leng batho a gale la ba le more push towards yona on meaning that hona le mo la fosala of mana hore ntho tsene re ding ka di le bohlokwa tse leng re le na ke ka pala ne ke le talking and that mesho hana bua ka the whole thing ya the mining industry on how like mining began and how it might possibly tie into problems in the tsana tsena tsa bo di ntwa tsa dikobo and whatever e mona hore fumana hore at some point hola ba le bana ba se ba hola ba sena the present father figure. Unlike Khale nako, this guy's like 90, that almost 90 something. But I'm just like, well, no, imagine community pele ne ntse le na le this rite of passage. Bophelo bo etsela tjena wa tseba ba ntate wa motseng ho a khotla. But then all of a sudden everyone who bano sa patadiswa tax ya di phofolo tsa hae, so o tlameha hore a lo sebetsa mining ebe o ba away from ho hodisa lapa se le hodiswa ke mme fela. So all these kids grow up ba sena connection e nepahetseng ya ho express masculinity kapa direction or so really it's just like combined le ntho tse yena la feel like attribute tse ding ha di that masculine, but ke tsona tse etsang these people ba react ka yona. It's like all gossip and thotse ka ntseno, but now people are killing each other over that. Yeah, but ke a bit of a tangent. Ke hopola I went to one of Ndate Mesho's talks and he was talking about that. I was like, damn, this goes deep. But ntleng identity, I just say like for survival e ka nna ba hola ba le ntino e associated le bogwa ho le bana ba rutia ba fumana mesebetsi. But hona tjena re pointing we can be flexible about that. Ka tseba sekgowa o ntse le Mosotho and try to reconnect. Tse ding it doesn't mean o tla khona ho etsa ntho e siyo e beteng, but man, culture is the people. Culture is always evolving. It's the people.
For sure.
So, yeah.
And basically we have to evolve with it.
I feel like it's just like, tapping into the past and respecting the elements. Now I'm just looking at it in fragments. Like, because then I'm just like thinking, but that could like, but now I have nephews and a niece. It's like 5 or 6 years. And like I'm like old school, like because it's like okay, just like like those. But you are like and I'm excited because the animation in the now, and she's like, record it's a modify so I'm like that's combining but that's just like combining the two ways of thinking because it's just like that's like a performance. You cannot store a performance. You have to respect, but like how can I purpose this or learn it and like explore it, maybe an animated film
for sure. That would be amazing. So for you, like I think somehow maybe it ties down to the way you were raised. Like what really fascinated you about the culture? Because I see you as somebody who cares so much about the culture. Like you not only care, but you contribute to the culture. The work that you do, the animation that you do. Basically, you tell stories that are about our culture. Like, what is it about your background got you into caring about it that much?
Happy since kili hippie happy like so subculture in hip hop like so how the culture I'm like make sure ke bua ka ya ka ke le Mosotho
for sure I meant for sure
I just like sorry to go nowadays it's like it's all about the culture like now I the culture like that's the fast one that's the fast
right
but but no but I think guy again honey we say most probably why am I fascinated by or what I am fascinated with in terms of like my culture and heritage as Mosotho? Maybe it's like maybe a seed of how I was raised, maybe.
Because I'm thinking, like, for the most part, the things that we care about, somehow they are shaped by our past experiences, or the way we grew up seeing things. They inspired us to be who we are.
Yeah. No. Thanks. I think that's a good question. Let me get to it. First thing, I'm fortunate enough ke hlaetse Maseru Quintu mona, but ke holetse dithuteng Hasaodi. So what's fortunate about that is that Hasaodi ke motse wa kgale, kore ke motse wa kgale. But fumana hore o how hole hakalo le toropo, but how close hakalo toropo. So ntse le a little bit far. So ona le independence ya yona, like as in like, so huntsona le unzo hlompha ya moreneng. Really imagine bo hakele monyane na, cause now I'm a 90s baby and like the door opened like 1990, meaning that I've had like experience hore hakele motseng wa ka ke le monyane ke bone Bali ba feta. But same ho thona tsena motho ka ipotsa Bali ke eng. But like ha ke le monyane Bali ba ne ba feta na. Neng bo nako ngwe sana fela be hona le batho ba ntho ke makolwane o ska ema ka pela ona. But in the same breath, since motsaka o pela toropo, I'm a kid a holang householding esentse le more batho ba tsotellang education, technology, books, the television. I was like that kid doing a TV. So I'm just like growing up with the best of both worlds, or even like just being exposed to both worlds. So even to me, you even without trying to internalize things, they are happening around you. You are like a sponge, just like absorbing.
For sure.
Hona motseng o kopana bana ba bang hallo ba pala ba mantsi bua le bapala bo diboko o gone bo dibeke gone ke e ba di memory tse mona tse leng hore la o sa etsotelle but intse tlo connect somewhere. So for now I feel like it's those memories that me akanyetse tsa ditshomo kapa nne be ke a bo pha badimo fela spacing go like ebe mathuela a teng motseng fela ebe hona bana ba di toy ba di bicycle di ntho tse just like a collage ya ntho tsena tse ngata. Okay, le nna ne ke le ngwana abo di video game re bapala gone like playing computer games and whatever. But I just feel like in a say fela nona le option hanze ke whole tseno khona re o absorb from kankena o shela SABC but o shela LTV o bona ndate Apollo Ndabanyana bona tau ya matshega bona Metriti Makwae. So it's just like appreciating and being at a point where I feel lucky enough to have experienced that, and I have two older sisters who are like very older than me. One a little sis more adventurous home fit, and now I was more of a TV kid. Now she was like out there. Sa lemotse mo bontshirele fela go spacing since ke auto high boning ke tlama o lo molata ke lo mo batla. So it's just like those experiences then I get na no ntho mo ntla formula rena passing. I just feel like I was fortunate enough happy when ke le hlono like okay ka se sotho te lebitso le be ke se rom so ke nana ke ntho tse kang tseno. But really I talked about being part of like the subculture hip hop, as in like hip hop. I grew up consuming that a lot because of my older sisters. Ha ke le ngwana bona nele bo ma high school ke mo go on. So they were share bo Heavy D, Tupac and whatever. So I grew up like absorbing this. Then ha ke shebile tse bo video tsa bona ke bona bo animation video ke sa ke album ya Tupac Changes, I say Changes, Do for Love. in the style it's a fapaneng tsa animation in the music video. I think I was 8 or 7 when I saw that. I feel like it was very intriguing. So I'm thinking, how do you combine the things that are part of your identity and heritage and combine them with the things that you resonate with, because they are cool things. You're a cool kid. I've always known I was a cool kid. Even when I was a nerd, I was still a cool nerd. So it's just like, how do you incorporate that? I'm a cool uncle. So how do we take this culture and heritage into platforms? These nephews, but the video game, but the Xbox and whatever. But how do we connect that? So just like essay na ke buile ka fela ke tsona ntho tse ntseng ke be ka leng ka teng.
Right.
Oh, le batswadi ba ka mfethu.
Yeah. respect to the parent. Yeah. So like now I feel like you are doing that work very great, because like Hakishaba, the work that you're doing, the work that you're contributing into, like like ka walla, ne.
Okay, yeah.
The basically walla, I think it encapsulates basically I feel like it measure our culture in a modernized way, because before I don't know about the past that much, but I don't think we had this type of games. There are the cards. I mean, we had the Tomo, but in this manner, the game is modernized. You can play them because now for the most part, the characters are the Krazit, whatever, 5 cards. But like, I don't even know that much about. I just know, okay, I'm playing cards. But I don't know where they come from. Leather illustrations there, I don't much understand them. How you connect the on. But I feel like this right here, it's super cool.
Okay, happy nigere kiske ka lema ka kgomo tsa ngwaneso. Hantle ntho walla ke be go thusa enke ngwe. Walla, it's more of a game, it's a trivia game. Ke mona hore ke go botsa dipotso ebe ke batla ho utlwa gore na o tseba ha kae. So e ka re papadi e mona ya metsotswane e mashume a mararo go ke ntho e kang eno, empa bale mona ke papadi e kapueng ke kgaitsedi ya ka ba lo tlhaole ke motho wa tourism ne ke tlo re tabeng tsa bohahlaudi ba ke motho wa ntho tsa bohahlaudi le bonono, because apparently the artist he so kaofela. So ke ntho mona hore o nantsa nahana hore ha motho a tshaketse Lesotho a tsamaya ka kapa motho a Lesotho na re ka mo thusa bang hore a be le modern siana marena fela kapa modern ntho e leng hore e ka mo tswela molemo beyond fela hore o na le a physical asset so just thinking, okay, na ha rona e sentse e thewe e na le ntho tse ngata tse etsetseng, ho na le batho ba phetseng, ho na le history, ho na le dintho tse ntse di etsahala tse batho ba sa tsebeng, ho na le di artist, ho na le so for 5 years she was doing like research and like fact checking, back and forth, proofreading, editing, changing concepts, ideas, go into things on. Then so for now my job from the onset I was like the main designer, but I ended up like being the art director because at some point I had to leave Kieskulung to the States, but I was still remotely working with her. But then I had to recruit a good designer. I work with him. in animation because ke fine artist hape ke Sia Mosotho, like he's my brother, just like hey. So I had to have him under my wing and just like finished off the process nanzikele hole alemona just like yeah. So but ke mona fela ya hore game ke tsela eno ya hore motho a ka una tsebo ka Lesotho le tsa teng, and again one of the best ways o ka etsang nka o hlalosetsang ko experience nka o botsa bo karete ile nngwe fela just so that o tsebo okay this is like
we can do that. We can do that. I hope I get it right.
Happy, this is not a 2 for Designs product. It is an I Do Beats product. But 2 for Designs was commissioned to do the design part of it.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, let's get to it.
All right. Na ya bonala bo ka camereng dek e tsena ha o bula mokotlang ona ha o bula kgetsi ena e tsena hona le karete tse 50 tsena le dipotso tla bana le tse 2 tsena le instruction le ntho tse kang tsena on ebe potso tsena tse mona karete engwe le engwe ena le potso tse 3 ho yona on ebe re bona dipotso kaofela di 150. So ke tla nka potso tse karete tse random on kapa ke nke ka ho tloa ka ya pele nke tse random ke botsa wena wane nna o ka kenentse ke sebetsana le game ka nna ke tla nna ke re iketseditse di service ho sebetsa because jwale re se re tseba tse mmalwa batho ba bang ke bona ba ka e bapalang hantle rona re tla le botsa. Okay ke kala kena kapa go botse bonolo pele
I'm putting go easy on me.
Okay. Okay. What is the name of the waterfall that has been certified by the Guinness World Records as the longest commercially operated single drop upsail in the world? Ile Sotho mona.
Maluthunyana Falls.
Maluthunyana Falls.
Shout out to
yeah. It's recorded as like
I did not know that.
Yeah, so the game it's a bonte like
yeah, and I like that.
Yeah. Okay, in 1980, Dash was the last district to be established in Lesotho. Which district was this?
Oh, I have no idea.
Guess I fell how nana ka mapa Lesotho. When I guess if it is out there.
Good thing.
Get.
Mokgotong.
Ha na taba go betse ke tsewa hlalosetsa go kwana o tlo utlwisisa kapa na le motho ka studio nga ka nna bua karabo a ena nang ke yona ka 1980 If I'm correct, Get. Okay, the last district to be established in Lesotho, Kalemosa 1980, ke se tereke se bitswang Thabatseka. And logically, o tlo hlokomela hore Thabatseka e entswe ka tereke tse ding. And ke sona fela se senang border. Ke sona fela se central. Opola se fe tereke se senang border. Opola se dipakeng sa ditereke kaofela. Se entswe ka hunka party ya se itseng. So it's a lento mona the game you it's all obele the awareness now you can read on you could like study this.
These are fun facts because I feel like it's something I wouldn't even know just like this. And basically, and I don't even know much about my country like that.
What is the name of Lesotho's indigenous flower?
Well, I mean, I don't know that much about what that means, but guess.
ya nana ka flora ye indigenous Lesotho.
Mokhabebe. Pilo.
Actually ke spiral alo on e bitswang le kharetsa. Yeah, so yeah,
right.
a lot of, yeah, so it's just like, oh, all right, that's why design is eating but why is it like special? It's like, like indigenous yeah. So yeah, one of the games, this is more of a collaboration with my little sister. She loves everything tourism. She loves people, so she's just like always there. How can we help people get in touch because you have people by America, it's just like, oh yeah, I wanna know. Like at one of the markets now time ke la botsa couple re kopa ntho ena le dikarabo cause nna le dikarabo then banka cause banka ele it's a window to knowledge on you bulela first then when our guys a further research you can get on Google actually
why
it's
a
but house na spark ke ntho bona ke thutswane ka chesana on ke continue so yeah, I think that's really
it's super cool. She got a great mind basically coming up with a project like this. And I feel like Islani it will carry on.
Because tsebo yona e hlile jalo ha o sa ithuti ka wena o tla patalla motho e mong a tlo o vetsa now mona ke hloho ya hao.
I know. Basically, I feel like people should get this, and I might actually get mine soon.
You should get
one.
I should. You owe it to yourself.
I owe it to myself for sure.
And your future kids.
Yeah, for sure. They will learn so much. Because now, honestly, even when I get to think about the things I know, of course, I know couple of things about Lesotho, but to pass on something it's bigger. I feel like it's reading and the games that I feel like they inspire that, and I feel like basically passing it on easy and in a fun way it's not really intense.
High Steve.
It's flexible
Yeah, I get you. I get one more thing man, when you say a bala haholo tsamaya ya di bakeng but it doesn't mean like o tlame hore motho mo le mo tlametsa balo so it's more of a it's a force is a shortcut to knowledge, but then knowledge ya nnete hlile ntse hloka hore o go nke nako a hao because I think it's worth getting o go tshakela moriza mano bana le dibuka tse ngata na le taba tse ngata kana lanya Lesotho le interneteng hona tsena o na le curiosity literally o ka type JP Mohapelo ebe o tlo bona hore actually ho na le library ya America ina le buka e buang ka kapa journal e buang ka ntho so it's just like sparking that fire. It's really about curiosity. It's about art. Art. It makes you start thinking.
Right.
Then for Mono Siluena, Obona Uitankayon.
And we appreciate her so much for basically. For sure. So earlier you mentioned 2-4 Designs basically being commissioned to be involved in the project. So like you are the founder, right? Yeah. So what got you started in 2-4 Designs to basically come up with it as a business?
I get that. 2-4 Designs I feel like business ke part ya teng cause ke register ile consultancy one empa ha ya qala ile business like hanga ga tswa ya ke batla etsa business e bitswang 2 for designs one no it's just like okay T4 at some point danza whole cause na prof 24 kapa T4 kapa T4 one kapa prof one like ha sa le ke la artist one like ha get ha sa le ke na le di batho ba mentor ba inspire around me ba bang ba sa tsebe lo tseba gore ba inspire but I think I tried to tell a lot of people actually ke a lebo like it's like you really inspired me to do this like give your flowers so you can still smell them kind of thing but for now ha sa le ke rata ho create art la ha ntso ho la ona le ntho tse ngata tse ka etsalang so at some point la ka ya sekolong for computer science during the time computer science even before I went to school for computer science ne ke le high school but ne ke batla etsa computer science like ne ke tseba I want to work with computers but ne ke tseba fela I want to work with graphics and computers but ka 2010 I feel like how no pass the hand the most ne khata always a BSc because ke teng motla kopana le computer on so I'm just thinking okay let's a computer science big it's a computer graphics ha ke qeta go ke le high school but during the same time I had friends who were already in university and in le my hippie ba rap and whatever all ciphers mixtape the beat the signature like a lot of people ba ne ba le ka pele honna so I started doing the album artwork for bona or just like ndimona like you know the skills sites and it's like ke a designer ke a sendela ba ntsha mixtape detail high cut high school na le a friend of mine December Mapetla we do a rap crew ebitswang Aquasense so figuring I had a gap here he went to school for graphic design but then since I had a gap year before university so I had like the whole like 2009 just like vibing rapping producing but then in a designer lang two for Aquasense which was our 2-man crew in a duo so I was doing graphics for the group then I was doing graphics from other friends then my dad had a revamp business but give me it's a logo it's like actually you can do logos ebe bo batho ba sebetsang field ya it's like ka nyetsa logo ka boka that's before ke abo university so one of the potential until but hanata university I have to focus on studying whatever ke le ka twella ntho tse ngata tse samane le ntho I get depressed and whatever but hufmana light ya ka I start reading more about design as much as ntse ke sekolong I read a lot about graphic design I read even about design I read about both Steve Jobs in le pela hlokala I read so much that by the time I dropped out of NUL yaba ke ya sekolong for design ne se ke na le portfolio hono on ibile banana re ne ke kena sekolo sa design kae pele on but honne since like I had already created Juvenile's first album in episode did it in high school nang commission re ke metse album Sleeves sayona so even to like it began as me just like doing what I love which is creating but also helping people around me because design is more about like a back and forth relationship between client the creator the artist on kapa the designer on kapa just like doing something something you got to be the next person kapa communicate a message because le bo motseng ke apola like it's mewa my best friend signage ya di go that's like so di go but ne ke batla be cool because ke batla etsa ntho ka tsela e khazang so no it was funny because I saw we grew up ya ntho tse golo ka ta first degree ka etsa di masters ha ke khutlela high years later ke bona ka tsatsi le leng ke feta ntho ke bona ba beile the signage ya kgale ke entseng. I was like, oh, so cute. I was like I get that bonto tse kang tsena ke entse out of like ke batla ho etsa on kapa ke bona tlhoko e teng. Yeah, but then the business side of it e qadile bale ha sentse ke tlo ya Limco Queen mono nele I was trying to pele ke ya sekolong Limco Queen I was already working with different people. I was working le Kaiser nentse bo Africa Beer Festival, so I did an animation for logo ibana bana le yona hono, and I did a graffiti street mural. I was like, okay, like did a mural, and I was designing for. I've always like been designing, like for Le Roma, like Le Roma for basketball team. Can you give a design design ya di keeper tse ding tse bana ba di ntsha hono go ane go tloa ke stress sa BSc ne ke designer ke interact le batho ke at least get the best part of the side. So and with NUL ke ntse logo ya basketball team e tsebang e bitswang Bokamoso ke nne ke ntse logo ya bona ne ke etsa because ke le motswalle ya wa Fako hono. So it's just like those projects where you're like, only hip cyphering or kopana batho, kopana bo future, bo mamba, but then interacting with people. But then the business starts happening now that at some point or trainer ba khotsi ba hawa ba bontsha di skills thing, but then ba approach ke mabitso a maholo di corporate on then how can you get a fair exchange, because it's an exchange that so how we treat our OC business in gafela or how
just
on how na hanika or tlama of file di text so tlama ho etsa ntho tse kang tseno ha ba tlo ho associate le tsona le tsela o tlo patalwa e ntse tlo amana le tsela e pekeng ka teng. So ha ke le sekolong for my first year Limco Queen la ka classing ya ntate mong ana bitsa ntate Job. So in one of his classes, I think it was second class, he was talking about the importance of Ministry of Trade. Just like learn now how to register a business and whatever. Those one. Yeah, then man, this is kids all because just like I wasn't feeling like business. I was just like, let me go. Then I started learning about the processes. Become responsible, register it, 24 design, see it be listed. Then now I can qualify for mesebetsi e batlang ele meholonyana. E ke kgona hore ha ke fumane mosebetsi ke kgona hore ke patala bakgotsi ba ka. Ke kgona hore ke move ntho ke reke di asset ke kgona hore but ntse ke le ngwana school because hona ke le Limco Queen I was just doing a lot of business work at a weekend. Just like during the week, school, ka weekend, like we le kai, like we lo penta le bota kai, like we it's a fun activity, isn't like a commission. But I feel like it's about how competent. So I'm just like, okay, can I actually take an I display can take invite our Hotsiba Carlo Penta le bota motsi. Or Kibuale me wa kai ko bumahisa ne muto. Hako be how do me like a penta high be kebo mo longa how to now to what like permission man maybe one. So it's just like but no matter but be competent but be confident by the time they get to do the work. So that's how 24 Designs began. Then now start working more with my little sister because she's very like a super boss kind of vibe. So yeah, I involved her. Then part, like let's do like the administrative side of things and also get talent manager for design. So she started managing me as the talent, but then Vantuna like finding like even how to work with resource artists. Because when you are growing as an art director, it's now more than it's about more than you. It's about how you interact with the people you work with. It's about how you interact with the clients. It's about how it's like in terms of professionalism, not like but it's just like the communication. Hence, the tagline now, you and me are two for designs. It sounds so narcissistic because in a two for designs, tagline are two for designs. But I just wanted you to know, like, you and me are, God, it's just you and I. It's like you, the client, or you, the lover of the art, and the creator, designer. It only really works if the communication is good and like get the highest priority, like get the communication in order. Then you get a product longer. Everyone will feel like this is my baby. The designer feels like the Montana Gangan is like this is my one. Yeah. It's not working. So it's like if you get a point, it's like equilibrium. Then you good. Then that's the whole thing. The design business. Also, we have the animation side of it because I'm trying to. Not only shift, but I really want to focus more energy towards illustration and animation. We still do graphic design, but I want the studio to be more synonymous and more about those to go to how we got animation or about interactive media, because we are train on game development, but not like about I'm working with like some of my friends belong a background in programming, because I did a bit of computer science, so I have the curiosity and I know what things that happen. But even to mobile the expert on it's on a live it's on a le motho a kopang o mo hlomphele ko like because man so I'm trying to develop, but until projects are in the pipeline, but it's really about that studio the business consultancy, the studio just like a lot of things happening, but it's already declined that related. Ba batla re ba etsetse ntho based on ba hlanya bo re ratang. How should Instagram ya ka prof24 atitefo, because ba thanga o wona nke ke bebo how so ka wona bo logo fela mo spacing, but I still get logo geeks on. How so boni ko ha ke be ke batla direction ya tla bo motho ha shebile ntho a bona o di papatlele on ntho kae on. When I was just like, I associate these people but if I want to pay someone to ride Popeye, ke patala batho bana. Or I ke batlo o batlo mpatala hore ke tlo designer bo ntho ka nyena. God. So I love this as a reference book, but ha ke batle the direction so I'm just like, I feel like it's most important like putting my best foot forward, which is the artist or the creative side, the ho feta hore nka etsa letterhead nka etsa, but ha ke batlo bear post tsa di letterhead ha di but re ka etsa ebile ga di etsa or but ke ntho was like so illustration and animation, like you see it how it was like okay these people do this.
And basically, I never really thought where the letterhead, little logos and like corporate logos. Because how poster normally I see play for art,
the Popeye.
And basically, so Kishaba, even the style that you did, not now honestly. Whenever I get to create, more of I want it to be perfect, but of which it makes me struggle into more creating than being free to create. So, like the Popeye so data normally. Of which I'm like, okay, anatomy is
Yeah.
put it here.
Yeah.
Then when are you like put it there? So go ahead. Where did you take that freedom? Because I don't know, Horena, do you just be there or like what inspired that basic freedom to create like that?
Yeah, I feel like I've created art before I got taught art. Go on. Ko re ke nthapele sky ke ka dilo toro ya ka monwana mobung fatshe ho sena motho a itseng ke mo toroele. Go on. So like man, I'm art educated literally, like in a masters of fine arts. Go on. But the more you're like, art is not the object on. But then not purpose ya ka na ke on. So if purpose ya ka ko etsa hore o ko eme o be shocked kapa o ko consider ntho tse neng sa di consider, like I do that on. So apart from that, maybe maybe a cartoony style, I feel like that's more of Batang Hakai. I was like, yeah, your art, you have this cartoony style on. So I feel like Mono Ikanabale more based on like guy. I'm a 90s baby, meaning that wale so tulo hona ogwa. Re bana ba hotsing ko re thaka tsa Cartoon Network mohlala ko like e ntse le sio pele o holo but le your TV yona bo FOMG bo Mario ko re I know but 80s but it's just like part ya DNA ya subconscious ya e ke leng sure la ntse ke sa inahane e ntse le teng ha ke expressa e bapala freedom, because I've never felt ha ke so ka ke rata ho etsa art representational, which is maybe ke botswa kapa ke tla ke creative because ke kgona hore ke nahane ntho be ke toroya e le sio o ka re o be ke toroya but I'm not saying batho ba ke se ba be representational on. It's just that for now it never really moved me unless I ke le ka classing ya art history ke tseba hore na hobaneng o sheba okay Leonardo da Vinci proportion but when ba nahana tjena, so how ba le the Renaissance movement ba tlameha ho, it's more like teaching the masters ba ruta hore na hore nthina e be representational ka tsela e nepahetseng ho na ntho e bitsang foreshortening, ho na le ntho e itseng o study the world around you. It's still a good ha get the sharp how to Twitter art, but how le point in hore I really want to put my voice out there ke batla ho bua nna ka art ya ka ke nana ho sona le tsela tse ntse ka kgethang tsona, maybe o ntse ka etse le more representational but ona le tsela ya hao. So ke no feel I have like can I get a confidence just the confidence of getting things wrong while you are creating, and confidence in I feel confident. I feel like you just need to keep creating, we challenge then happy let me say in terms of like not like emulate, but man, nothing exists in a vacuum. This is what to say so you feel like just like you can absorb from where you are, you're like a sponge, but don't be afraid to just express yourself. Now I just do that. I give a lot of
and that's one of the things that you talking with you basically for the most part, or I don't emphasize about it. I don't want to keep thinking about it too much. If I spend that okay, how can I illustrate this perfectly? You just do.
No, I feel like it's like fortunate I can only on happy to work a ke artist ke but happy ke designer on ke le sekolong for design, literally le di classeng tsa design wa betsuwa dintho tse ding ka o boreile fela etsuwa like wa bala bo dibuka one and but tlo hlokomela hore design e dutse na le bo element ya intent, like intent ya hao na ke efe. But hona le ntho ene hore hona tse hore ke batla ya toropong one be o ntso na be ya toropong o tla inahana one, empa ha le designer tlameha o dule fatshe o tle ka na sheba okay cost ya toropong ke bokana, but alternative ya toropong ka ntho itseng ke mang ke mo tsebang ana le bicycle, o talela ho nouta ntho tse kang tseno o sontso o sebetsa etsa walo, but you're not just like thinking ka hloohong ya hao. So I feel like one of the biggest things I learned from my dad, he works in construction, so one of the best ntho tsa dutseng ana le tsona ke bukenyane le pene le ruler ke measuring tape like me ka le yena ke ne le teacher o retired, but ha ke le monyane ke a tseba hore na rata ho loela ona re rokela ntho mo leng like gonna he so like just like doing wa graduate me ha o rokela gown o etsa tracksuit me kwa, so ke hotse ke bona hore pele a roka ha to uti ka o roka da wa ditoro di pattern tsena la sa ipitse designer but she's doing design work on aba batla di koranta a khathe di pattern tsena ebe wa di be ke ntse o ntso di bona fela around you ona hore ntate wa ka ha batlo ha ntlo ba etsa tsena ba kile bo field le bona o bona ke hona okay ha batlo e fela ba etsa actually ha ntlo e ka bang hantle fitlang we. As much as killing artistic ke rata ba spontaneous ke, but ke rata spontaneity seno hobane ke dutse ntse ke toya, it's more like ho gather ke tsa arsenal lo explore the skills by the time ke hlokang ho create ntho for a course itseng ke na le arsenal ya dintho tse se ke di exploreile, just like ho rapa fela ha be ke tseba ka re ko rapela freestyle nga freestyle la ona tsena, but guy I ketetse ho ngola bo dipina gale, but because ke nkile nako e ngata e telele at some point in my life just like reading, rapping, listening, doing go on, so it's just like it's there on yeah. So with art na ke prefer hore ke etse ka ba le part ya life ya ka le batho ke ba rutang le ka hore yeah ke a tseba o tlile classeng ya graphic design o tla patalwa bokana, but this is not really gonna work if ha o tsela ka ntle ha o bone design around you, ha o bone hore ho tla bang stop sign ke a se hlokomela ka bonolo one ho tla bang ntho yang khahla yena yang khahle one. So ke ntho I just want you to know it's not a part of la we e be part ya life ya how es ka ba mosebetsi fela, then for mosebetsi ho ba bonolo hore now o ka execute but ke assignment o creative I'm just like guy khale ke shela dipopai khale ke bona dinto so the muscle is just like yeah so
basically ke thing that you have done over time now is because now muscle no exercise enough.
Yeah, it's another part. Yeah, it's really intuitive. Yeah. Not like you do not think, but gaga ho palama bicycle, how you like I palama how like how do na ka thata go pedala wang yeah you do not do that on because boko ba ha bula muscle memory, you know, if you have like explored this one it's still about fit fela, but just like it's like it's a you yeah. So for na ke se tsa approach tsentse pele the artist, the designer, and actually ke rata di arola if ke a di kopanya ha o hlokahala on because the designer na for na it always holds the element yeah the discipline yeah. I need to get this done, what do I do to get it done on the artist side. It's always like free flowing, always learning, always growing, always exploring valo, but you need to match those together, then we execute it.
Yeah, and I feel like you apply that flexibility. I mean, last time in the poetry.
Oh, the poetry something.
Session,
Yeah.
Like, you you doing the performance.
Yeah.
Basically, the videos how YouTube don't share how
Yeah.
you are studying in the States.
Uh-huh.
You want the free you. I mean, you just be doing crazy moves and stuff, but like it's like you are being a kid in your head, not caring about I have to be a rapper now. I gotta contain myself like this.
Yeah.
Basically, and not to say nothing is wrong with being that type of a rapper, but like the freedom that you embody when you create or perform, I feel like give that much confidence of which I respect so much because tapping into that for me. I really have to push, but I get your point, Holly. It's something you exercise all the time. The more you do it, the more also go by easy. How's that too much? How's that too much? Okay, let me do it like this. Easily within your DNA.
Hape le confidence e nngwe ya pele lo tshwara pencil. Ha ebe o tseba artist. La ntso sa to ntso sa pinte wa tseba artist or not like o be botswa, but how because it's just like I can rap, like I can rap for real. Someone on, but I'm not a rapper. On like guy, literally I'm not a rapper. On, but I can out rap, but it's besides the point. I've been doing that with like 12 going, and it's just like, yeah. But ha ke fela staging ke lo etsa ntho ho rapa ke skill se seng se ke nang le sona ke le artist asna le go tswana nkare motho a tlo nana hore o mo remia difate just like no o tseba ho sa ga sefate ene o ka se sa ga sharp but hore o execute ntho tse ding on go like how you go ba mathematician o tseba ho multiply dintho lo kopanya dintho tsa
I feel like the question that I want to ask you, God, before you even went to the States to study fine art and you attained your master's, like you were already creating, you already had your work out there. It's credible. So now, like, what changed? What do you think you learned? It's kind of different from Korika. You changed in some way. You learned while you were back at school.
I feel like, especially going to school abroad or anywhere, actually, ke mo go nna ke rata go thaletsa di artist di ya sekolong, like serious. Like going to school, it's like it's less about the paper, the degree that you get from school on. And it's also still less about the knowledge that you get at school. Yeah, academic knowledge, you can get that on YouTube and it on. But it's more about the growth that happens with you as a human being. At least I think it should be like that. On terms of like maybe you are becoming more aware of the things that you have to outgrow, or you are becoming more aware of the leader that you are, of a creator that you are on. Yeah, because I feel like for now in school, like literally, not like nigga rapper, but I just like felt like, yeah, boka Sesotho nigga sa rap ho hang nigga so ka ke ngola ke repilo tla ke le mo 12 kapa 13 nigga so ka ke ngola rap ka Sesotho ha isale up until ke le Chicago on, and na ke le Chicago in le ntho mona hore not like nigga ka lo ithuta Sesotho, but ne le ntho mona I'm like exploring us like the talk or to so, and I'm exploring how to create art, but not as a representational thing, but buaga ate ele ya ho bua ele ya ho ngol one isa ke a hlalosa ke etsa ibele texture ga ibele the spirit sa yona. So I was thinking it might be advantageous using the skill e ke nang le sona sa rap, talking in patterns, but ke sebedisa puo ya heso, puo ya ka on, but then empa the level ya hore hona tjena ke bua le nna, but ke batla ho e create in such a way e leng hore e ka kgona hore e be impactful regardless hore na motho wa tseba na ke bua kang kapa hore na ke reng on. So for nna imphile confidence eno fela ya hore ha o hloke hore o explain hore ke Mosotho hobane kapa ha ke le Mosotho ke tenne Sotho, like Basotho Basotho ke Basotho go one, but a se hore ha le Mosotho tlameha ho rala ho apara kobo yane ya company ya South Africa or kapa o hloka hore o role diteki tseo di rwetseng le ho rwala difatla on kore like o ka hlompha hore ehlile difatla ke ntho tse teng whatever ho ka duetse na ho due kwana, but ke nahana o ntso ka tena suit ya hao wa tswela ka ntle ya wa ntso le Mosotho wa kore se le na the essence tsela e leng hore o etsa dintho ka teng ke dife le mo elelo o di etsang ka tsona. So I feel like for now just like party is just like having an international network ya batho ba bang building the artists and ho kgona ho raba shoulders with them and exchange of those ideas, like big, not just ideas, like ho sebetsa le batho ba hlahang bakeng tse fapaneng. I feel like e matla haholo ho feta hore ha ke le hae nakong eo ya pele, because kgale ke etsa mosebetsi but ne sentse ne ke sa hloke hore ke sebetse ka thata kapa ho i-challenge haholo hore ke fumane dopamine relief, I guess. Kapa I'm just like but how kopana batho ba bang ba chesang ka mosebetsi wa bona, because like one of like top 10 schools at like the School of the Arts Institute of Chicago. I get a major ka film, video, new media and animation. Like literally program ya ka ne bitsa film, video, new media and animation on ke masters in studio. So even to you meet people really like live and die for filmmaking on, but you meet people that's like wanna do animation. Then you meet Baton just like all over the place, like on. Then ke fitla ke kgona hore ke reconnect le site ya ka ne ke etsa ke ne ke bapala ka gap year ya ka sound production and whatever. Now doing digital sound and getting to interact le batho ba soka ba fitla Lesotho ebe ha le share di reference tsa lona bua ka Sankomota and start reading about educate lefatshe ka wena without go ho ba le lentswe la Lesotho ka ntle ho na ke really passion ya ka haholo da gore re be le lentswe la rona. So I feel like going to all these international things, interacting with the world, ke ne bontshang ga Basotho ba exist ba teng ba phela ne tjena ha so Basotho ba teng ke di accountant fela on and ate ke rata accounting ha ke rata ka but ke a rata cause ya re thusa, but ke bolela fela hore ha so re batho ke ba tsena fela le di accountant ba mamela mmino on mamela. So I feel like art e kgona hore e bontshe bophelo go boteng ona ha o fitla di caving tsa Barwa fact ya go nona le batho ba nang le talent ya bonono kapa bona ba tsotella ho create isile e trace ya gore batho ba ne ba phela mona ba bona hore bona le dintho tsena ha bona go kae ka bona hore matlwana a entse ditema wa bontsha hona le bophelo mona. So for nightly art ina le that sense e siang imprint ya bontsha bophelo bo teng. So yeah,
and I feel like even the more you interact with an outside world from sort of course like other cultures or a sense of pride even in your identity as well as Mosotho, because in my experience that's how I felt before. seeing how much they are proud of their own culture and babakang ho on educate the kawana then I infantile or like yeah something to give if I'm being given then I should have something to give so it's all like get explore even more.
Yeah, no, I think that's a very fair point, really. Yeah, because, man, give and take, I think it's the best way ya ho phela. But hangata re batla sa predicament ya hore re qetella re le a consuming nation haholo, which is not healthy for any nation. It tlameha ba a back and forth. E feta go o tseba Greek mythology, o tseba bo Kreste o feta le batho mo bo tsang teng. O tseba but tsa hao o sita hore o ka di project into lefatshe. But how sheba hore ntho tsena tsa batho ba bang kaofela ba ntse ba kentse DNA ya bona e le bona go ka tsona. So I'm just like, yeah, ke nako ya hao le Mosotho hore o kenye madi a hao mona gona bontsha a hlile ra phela re teng ra exist but ha re batho ba dipaleng tsa kgale gona Basotho ba teng ba phela gona le ba sa duleng ka ga naha ya Lesotho ya bila ke qeta ho bua bala ke tangent e nyane fela but ke nana ke hloka hetho bua ka hore Basotho ka lefatshe ho phara cause currently ke ntse ke le one of the members tsa na le newsletter e ne re kale ha ke le sekolong since ke tlotla hae le methaka e meng ya ka America kwana hona e bitswa Lesotho Diaspora Newsletter one ka ngala Lesotho ina le Substack ya teng ke jwa ka kena le Google fela ngala Lesotho Diaspora Newsletter it's like so it close ba le issue ya bo 5 in a kala di 2 August, meaning a couple of days. It was issue 5. So we're just like creating these windows so that batho ba Lesotho hohle mo baleng teng because we've recently recruited someone in China. Ne thabile hore re kgone ho fumana le motho a tswang Far East. Then we are trying to create these windows that people ba hohle ba Basotho ba ne ba be le access ho na ho etsahalang le bona ba tsebo share ditori tsa bona tse ka nna tsa thusa ngwane mong wa Lesotho because Lesotho ke naha e nyane meaning that hona le probability e kgolo ya hore motho a hlaetseng ka ga nahena o ntsa tlotswa ka ga yona so ibantu mona it's very important having like an information flow ivalo so every 2 months ga entsa tla be on Substack batho ba subscribe le ngwana wa Substack ba tla fumana di-email tsa yona but yeah ke Lesotho Diaspora Newsletter ke nna the main graphic designer the illustrator
make sure to
the link whatever the comments yeah but I just wanted people to be aware of this just thinking like okay hoba Mosotho it's not limited to a place that you are on ke rata naha ka ke rata bana beso but ha ke hloke hore ka kelellong ke limite Bosotho ba ka to a physical location on ke yona ntwe ne ke tshofela
Prof, I appreciate you showing up today. It has been quite a long conversation.
yeah
I appreciate your time.
Now whenever designs are papatlile
They should definitely mouse pad.
Yeah.
The mouse pad, of which things like this, I mean, we often see it's a not only it's a and I feel like these are very cool and like I said, I appreciate you basically contributing to Basotho culture. So I think for everybody who's listening up or who even wants to get some of these products that you have,
elaborate. Okay, now for 24 Designs, re na le page ya rona on Instagram, maybe it's 24designs.studio. Ke ke the studio account, but ke na le ya ka ke le Atitefo _2 for designs, so you know I'm associated with the brand. So it's mostly where I'm posting all art on it. So if you wanna buy some of our products, re na le distribution le batho e kang Shipa store, ba rekisa di local products, tla bena le di mouse pad mo ne, di key ring, di key holder. Hape re na le shop e tlo bula ka August ka di 5 tsa August, e bitswa I Do Beats. I Do Beats ke sentse le brand bo teng, but hona tjena ba bula studio sa bona se be le section e leng shop, because ba rekisa di beats, beatwork le di accessory bo rwalla o ka e fumana mono, bo ntho tse ding tsa ona le di class, cause ke studio ke tlo ruta di class mono hape. So ha Motshweneng fitla dithabaneng ha Motshweneng ke hona across the road mo bona mohaho moholo ka nqena. So yeah, pretty soon signage re tlo e beha hore motho a kgone ho kena ka bonolo, but mo eleng hore o tla fumana product tse ding tse kang rwalla on tla e fumana Pioneer Mall, Lifestyle Bookshop, o tla fumana rwalla ka 250 maloti, o tla e fumana ka mono. O ka e fumana le Milko ha le Uptown, ntle mono o ka etsa di order from page ya rona, re deliver ka ra toropo. Mono anything 2 for designs le I Do Beats, every farmers market ya Alliance Française raya, like yeah, every farmers market will be there. Basotho market we take part le teng, tla fumana ya ke interacta le batho mo, ke rata batho haholo le nna, just like talk a lot, ha ena batho ha ba le siyo ke ithoba. Yeah, but those are the places that you could find us. Apart from that, just check us on social media, 2 for designs, Facebook, Atitefo, Facebook, Instagram ke teng mo ke phelang nna, ke sedisa yona haholo, but Facebook e fumana ntho tse tswang Instagrameng on. Yeah, so yeah, that's that.
Thank you very much for showing up. I appreciate you so much.
Okay, ga leboha.